Hello guys, welcome to the Java Core Programming course, Section 1, Lecture 3. In this lecture, we will discuss how to declare, initialize, and use different variables and constants. Okay, Lecture 3 agenda. Declare integer variables, declare decimal variables, declare character and Boolean variables, and declare constants. Okay, declare integer values. Integer int value is equal to 1. Integer literals are int by default. By default, this value is integer. Byte value is equal to 2. When we assign an integer literal to a byte variable, it must fall within the range of byte data type, that is minus 128 to 127. Short value 23 must be in the range of minus 32,768 to 32,767. This is 2 bytes. And integer and long value can hold up to 64 bits of data. That is pretty big integer, 18 digits. Integer int itself can hold up to 10 digits of a value, and this can hold up to 18 digits value. For any value larger than 10 digits, need to append L in lowercase or L in uppercase to mark it as a long value. Otherwise, there will be a compiler or syntax error. For example, long value, this is a pretty big number. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 digit number. It cannot be an int. So it must be declared as long by appending a L or L in uppercase. Declare decimal values. There are two types of decimal data types in Java: float and double. By default, a decimal literal is a double value. When assigned to a float, you must append an F or capital F to make it a floating point value. For example, if you declare float value 2.5, you must append F or capital F to make it a float value. Otherwise, there will be a syntax error, because by default, this decimal literal is a double value. For double variables, we don't need to append anything as a decimal literal. Is a double by default. So we can assign a decimal literal, a floating point literal, to a double value. Next, the character or the Boolean data types. In character variable, we can hold a single character or a Unicode hexadecimal character. Unicode can be represented in a 4 bytes of a data, 2 bytes of a data. Boolean variable can store only one of the two values, true or false. These are Boolean literals. These are character literals. How to declare constants? In Java, constants are fixed values that cannot change over the course of the program. Java constant is declared with the final keyword. Once it is declared, it cannot be changed. So we use uppercase letters to signify constant values. It is a Java naming convention. Normally, for example, final int phi in yards is equal to 3 should be feet in yards is equal to 3. Final double cm in inch 2.54. These are unit conversions, and Java uses a certain naming convention. For example, all the Java classes normally starts with the uppercase letter. Methods and variables normally start with lowercase letter. Then for the next word, its first letter will be capitalized. For all the constant values, the identifier is all uppercase. That is Java naming convention, and normally it is followed by every programmer. That's it, guys, and let's go to practice these concepts in a Java program. Thank you. Hello, guys. In the previous program, I have used different initializations and data types to declare variable. For example, int, boolean flag, char data type with the single character assignment and Unicode character assignment. Okay, let's create a new program for lecture 3. Okay, add main method. Okay, let's declare variables. Int, let's say length is equal to 25. Let's consider inches, and we need to convert this length into centimeters. Okay, let's name it properly in inches. Okay, conversion rate. So we use constant final int double cm in inches 2.54. That is standard unit. Centimeter to inches. Okay, now guys, we need new variable to store result. Okay, double, because we are going to operate on those two integer and double data type. So the result will be the broader data type, that will be double length in cm. So we will multiply cm in inches with the length in inches, and we have the result. Let's print. Length in inches. So length in inches. Let's copy this. Length in cm. Okay, let's run this program. Okay, something is wrong. Okay, this is wrong. We need to change it. Let's say two decimal point. Run point. Okay, so 25 in inches will be 63.50 in centimeter. So this is how we declare and use different variables and different data types, and we operate on them using arithmetic operators. In the next video, I will discuss how to use arithmetic operations in Java programming. That is it for now, and let's catch up in the next video. Thank you, guys. Have a good day.